So this is the backside of Mount Hoy. Some people like the green. This is the toboggan route. The part where I was at before was mostly just cinder and stone. Could be a problem if you're trying to get good footing, but it's kind of cool. On this side, everybody's here, so it is cool. I'm on the grass trail. It's been worn down, but both sides you'll see a little bit of a divot. So it's nice when it's so nice to see camaraderie. I have a couple people here that have climbed Mount Hoy. A couple others behind me are training for bigger hikes, but we're not alone. I think that if you're thinking about trying some kind of hike inspiration, just as a target, I would try to get out to Forest Preserve. You can do your usual neighborhood thing for, at least, so I call it an up and back. You go, you lock your door, go 10 minutes away from your house, turn around no matter how much you're enjoying, and come back 10 minutes. That's 20 minutes of walking. And as you become more adept at tolerating that allostatic load, you go faster or you go the same distance with more resistance, meaning a backpack. The guys behind me are carrying heavy. I'll probably get there soon, but to start off, hey, just do your usual. But you have to have a measured approach to it. So if you can only tolerate, because you're going to be working soon, if you can only tolerate 20 minutes, 3 days a week, that's fine. But always project to the point where you're going faster, farther, or with more resistance, and build up to a summit. I think that a summit, whether you take Colorado's 14,000 feet as a summit, or your summit could be doing a 5K. I think that cross-training with elevation or resistance on a mountain, or resistance with a backpack, will really get you, number one, out to nature, as I mentioned in my video. Number two, it'll also get you a lot of work. If you use the walking sticks, it does allow you to put a little resistance into arms, especially as you're going uphill. So when you go uphill and dig these things in, you are working. You're not working the muscles that much, but you're working, and it does give the legs a break a bit. So upper body, sticks. Lower body, just the fact that you're doing incline steps or heavier weight, it will give you some allostatic load to hopefully strengthen your tolerance for next time. So, hey, thanks for watching. Thumbs up and share it if you have people that are trying to find their way. Otherwise, stay safe. We'll make it through this crap.